So it's been a while since I worked on my trampoline rain tank, but I was looking for used carpet to line the bottom, and the rain has leveled out a lot of dirt. Still need to put some over there, but in the meantime I found a place getting rid of turf grass, and they gave me, I don't know, like 2,000 feet of this stuff and some green grass turf. So I'm going to line it with this. It'll be better than carpet. I think you could still use carpet on the bottom, but I got this and I might as well use it. It's made for outdoors. It won't unravel as much as carpet when it gets old, and it's UV treated. The only thing I don't like is it's plastic, but I think it'll be covered with my pond liner for the middle. So I'm going to lay this out and we'll see how it goes. Up 4 feet on each side. I cut this at 22 feet to get a foot over that each side. The bottom is 20 feet or 12. The sides are 4 each, so 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 16 plus, that's 20, plus 1 for each side, that's 22. So I just now realized that I need to put the fencing all around because it's going to push out at the bottom here and here. But I just wanted to see if this stuff would hold up on the sides. It looks like I'm going to need a pretty interesting mechanism to hold it upwards, because the water won't hold it permanently. The water will be going up and down as I use the water, so I can't rely on that. I'll have to somehow bind the edges over here. I'm not really sure what to do yet. Stay tuned and we'll find out.